Hey, welcome to the channel. This is MF Dividend Stocks. Today we're just going to go with a little quick idea of what the channel is going to be like. It should be a lot of fun. I encourage you guys to subscribe, but let me tell you kind of like the idea. The idea of the channel is I'm pretty sure there's a lot of channels out there. I saw a few. I've been looking into dividend stocks and I'm looking into growing my portfolio. I got well, not so much right now, but a promising, hopefully good 401k, Roth IRA, a little playing around in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I got that stuff off to the side. That's, like through work and stuff like that. But I wanted to get more into stocks because crypto is insane. It goes up and down, left and right. It's crazy. I want something that's a little more stable. I can show you a way if you want to learn more about it, how to get very little crypto using your computer, nothing insane. You get like $1 or $2, depending on the computer, $1 or $2 a day, just a little passive stream, just to be in the game if you don't have any. But that's a video. Leave a comment in the description. I can show you that. I've done YouTube before. I just haven't found something that I was really wanted to do good. Nothing that excited me in a long time. I used to do gaming videos and live streaming and stuff, and I stopped for a few years because work got real busy. And now, not that work's not busy, it's definitely not as busy as it used to be, but I got myself in a better position that I can do something like this, and it finally worked out the last few months. So I've been looking at this and it seems like a lot of fun. So I worked on a thumbnail over the last week, got a nice banner. There's absolutely no videos on the channel, brand new channel, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. The idea is I've seen a lot on Robinhood, Webull. I've been learning a lot about them. M1 Financial looks really nice. I'm going to leave links down in the description if you guys want to get a head start, or if you already have it, maybe give me some tips and stuff. I'll teach you what I know about those sites, and maybe you guys can help me along the way with some stuff too. That kind of be a learning experience, because I'm going to go pretty much from zero on at least Webull. I signed up to it. Not sure 100% if I want to go with it. Robinhood's really, I love the UI. I know they have a little problems up and down, but I already got a couple hundred in there to start off with. And it's going to be a constant of me refinancing, reinvesting, getting more money in there, building up the portfolio. Messed that one up. Working on my whole setup, how I pick different companies, just for fun. Granted, I know it's money, but I know if you take your time and don't take big risk, you'll get I worked on my 401k and some of the stocks that I did. Bitcoin's a little more risky. I can teach you whatever I know about that, but it's insane. But it's more for fun. I'm not trying to tell anybody this is right, this is wrong. Leave in comments and any videos you want to know about. I figured I'll bring it to a channel live. It'd be kind of fun. Just a real quick overview of Robinhood. I signed up there. I think it was the 27th. I'm pretty sure I can look at my profile somewhere and find all that stuff out. I think it was about the 27th. So that's about 5-6 days ago, something like that. 3-4 days ago. I'm just stupid. And it's all looking really good. Granted, the market's crazy. But I had a lot of help. Okay? I'll tell you the more of the story, but Robinhood gets free stocks. So I talked to a few people. A lot of people are thinking about it, but I got one person in on it. You get a free stock, I get a free stock. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys get a free stock too. And if you sign up, just like some of you guys probably already know with Robinhood, you get a free stock, I'll get a free stock. He scratched his, he got a free stock, I scratched mine, then I wound up getting Microsoft, which is insane. I took a screenshot on my phone. I'll try to drop it in here if I remember, because I just want this as a quick video. So you can get really good stocks. And I know if I go on my account settings, I can prove it right now. But I'll leave that for a later video. So this one's just supposed to be quick. I don't want to black it out and all that crap. And I have to edit this, so this is going to take a while to edit, and it's late at night. Alright guys, so please follow the channel if you like it. If you think it's going to be a fun idea, if you have any suggestions or something, leave them in the comments. I know how some people feel about Robinhood or Webull. I think M1 Financial might be the winner, but I'm definitely want two of them. So I might do Webull. I already have I signed up for all three right now. And I know there's other ones out there. But Robinhood, I like the UI. It's really easy to get through. Webull's, it's more traditional, say, but it's a pain in the ass. I don't like those ones too much. M1 Financial looks like the UI is pretty good. I haven't used it yet, but I think it's going to be M1 Financial and Robinhood, and I'll probably do some of Webull for fun. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you want, please leave a comment. If you want to check out Robinhood or Webull or M1 Financial, I'll leave all the links in the description for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Later.